All right, let's look at how this reverse mortgage has changed since the last time any of you looked at it. In 2009, and again, everything's here. You have a $400,000 home for a 72-year-old borrower. We could get them a bit more money back then than we can now on the Saver program. On the Standard, we can still get them a decent amount of money. You can see here that up front, mortgage insurance protection, 2% of the home value goes to HUD to insure these loans. This is a full non-recourse loan. Anybody else have a non-recourse loan right now on your house? Bet you don't. It says no matter what, you nor your heirs are liable to pay back the loan. Because you paid HUD up front, mortgage insurance, and HUD along the way, mortgage insurance, to again ensure that no matter what, if over the next 20 years and the borrower took out the money and their loan grew but their house value dropped, HUD pays back the difference when that loan becomes due. The heirs don't, the assets don't, life insurance policies don't. The most the lender can collect is what the house is sold for when the senior no longer lives there. Third-party closing costs. You're going to see title costs in the state of Florida to close a loan. Period, end of story. You got title insurance, tag, doc stamps, and some other things that have to happen. Origination fee. Again, the lenders are allowed to charge a certain amount of money on origination. The new products have zero origination fee in them. So you went from a total upfront cost, giving the borrower $269, cost them $17 grand. Now we have a program with $3,600, we can give them $218. All regulated by HUD, folks. All their calculations, all of the longevity tables and everything that they look at to make these calculations. It's not MetLife, it's not Urban, it's not One Reverse, it's not any singular company out there. It's HUD setting the rules and everybody playing by these rules. There used to be a service set-aside fee as well, which is no longer around anymore, which was a servicing fee, an ongoing servicing fee. You pay a servicing fee on your mortgage right now. It's probably a $20 or $30 fee. It's built in there somewhere, and every month you're paying it so you can get that nice statement in the mail. Yes?
If you said this, I'm sorry, but why is the principal limit so much less now?
Because HUD's hedged their bet on that product because they're not collecting insurance up front on it anymore. They're only collecting insurance as an ongoing part of the interest rate. Yes?
Have any of those upfront fees that no longer apply been moved to the tail end?
No. No. This is what well, yes, the mortgage insurance that used to be on a rate, let's say you're getting a 5% rate, it's really 4.5 plus a 0.5% that HUD gets built into the rate to get an ongoing insurance. That jumped from a 0.5% to 1.25. But the margins are so low, the rates are still incredibly low. So, yes, they did, but not the big numbers. There's no origination fee paid later. There's no surrender charge. There's no prepayment penalty or anything like that.